Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Montry. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you want to learn how to get started with the app with Fiverr and Fiverr affiliates. So if you want to become an affiliate with Fiverr, the link will be in the description down below as well. Because I'm going to show you a free traffic source where you can get free traffic using Pinterest. Okay, so I'm going to show you that later on in this video. But in the meantime, guys, this particular method I'm about to show you is gonna blow your mind, okay? And I want you to pay attention from the beginning all the way to the end, because like I said, I want to show you guys how to get free traffic using Pinterest, and this is gonna be particularly for you guys that are looking for a way to make $200 a day just by promoting Fiverr, okay? So I'm going to show you a good trick. I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks and learn how to drive free traffic into Pinterest, so that way you can start making some money, okay? But if you are serious and you want to make money from home, then be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Without that being said, guys, let's get right into it. Now, what you see on this screen right now, you can see a website called Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace where you can find people to buy, to design stuff, edit, or anything like that. So if we check out some of the latest stuff, like you get logo designs, you get graphic and designs, you get digital marketing, you get writing and translation, you get video animation, music and audio, you get programming and tech, you get business, lifestyles, and trending, okay? Now, if you are somebody that came across this video and because you want to learn how to make money online and you just want to start off fresh, become an affiliate marketer, then this is the reason why I'm shooting this video, is because I want to show you guys how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is when you are an affiliate, you promote other vendors' products and services, and you make a small commission, okay? Whether it can be a big high ticket, middle, or a low ticket, doesn't really matter, but at least you're making money, okay? So for instance, let's say you promote one of the products that you would like to promote for people that's into like logo design. Logo design can be like between $15 and $20. It depends. It depends on the seller. So basically, if the seller is a professional and he or she have the skills, you gotta look at their background, look at their 5-star, see if they're a good fit. And then if you like the person, you might as well buy from them, and then they'll tell you all the details what you need for them to work on your project. So that's how it works, guys. Now, if you are somebody that's looking for voiceover, you can also do that as well. So there's a lot of stuff you can do on here. You can buy or you can promote affiliate. Okay, you can become an affiliate and start promoting and start making commissions. But I'm going to show you how to drive free traffic, okay, in this video. So the reason why you watching this video is because you want to learn how to copy and paste, okay? And I'm gonna tell you something. Pinterest does not allow affiliate links directly, so we have to shorten it out, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. All right. So without further ado, let's continue. All right. So if we scroll all the way down until we hit affiliates, right? So once we hit affiliates, guys, this is what you're going to see. You're going to end up on the page that say boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr, okay? And it said promote the leading marketplace for freelance services to get paid to drive traffic, and it's that easy, okay? Now you could join, number one, join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning, okay? So there's three steps that you need to take before you start promoting. You need to join as an affiliate, you need to promote the product, promote Fiverr and you need to start earning. Okay, so if you come at the join button right now, okay, and then I forgot to show you guys something. Hold on 1 second. Forgot to show you guys where is the stuff. Let me see something here. Commission plan. Let's go to commission plan. All right. So the commission plan Fiverr for CPA is $15 to $150. So you'll be making $15 to $150 CPA. So you don't know. So if you guys don't know what CPA stands for, CPA stands for cost per action. Okay. All right. So basically, you get $15 to $150 CPA in commissions. Okay. So if you want to promote this product, if you want to promote Fiverr, then I'm gonna show you a way how to do it. Okay. So all you have to do, okay, let's go back. Let's say join now. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna join now. Okay. You're gonna fill out your first and last name, email, username, good password, confirm the same password. Choose your account type, like such as like private, company, but don't worry about that. Well, choose. You want to have a company. If you don't have a company, just leave it private, and then okay. And it said, do you have a main traffic source? And you just say yes, and then you're gonna put yes. Okay. So if you put yes, and it's gonna ask you what's your traffic source, Pinterest. Okay. This is gonna be Pinterest. All right. So you're gonna put your Pinterest link down here for your business account. Okay. Now if you have if you put it down here, then you're good to go. All right. So you're gonna fill out the rest of the information, and then it's gonna say join. All right. So let me log out of this one. Okay. So this where you're gonna end up at right here, guys. This is gonna be your dashboard right here. So this is gonna be your dashboard. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in into my Fiverr account. Okay. So just give me 1 moment, please. Let me go to Fiverr real quick so I can log in. Okay. So let me log in real quick. Log in real quick. And continue stuff. Okay. Alright, so I'm logged in. Okay. So now guys, this is Fiverr right here, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm going to say we're gonna look for our niche for people who is looking for art. So let's say artwork. Say article writing. Okay. Alright. So this person is paying this person starting out at $50. So her name is Evelyn Tara. She is starting out at $50. So we're gonna find something that pays a little bit higher. So let's say budget, say between $100 to like $150. Okay. So artwork. All right. Let's see. Sophia. All right, we could do with this one. She said, "I will write a book, articles, and blog posts for WordPress." Okay, so we can use this one. So we're gonna use this one. Okay. So we're gonna use this one, and this was what I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to drive. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this link. So watch me all the way to the end, guys, because I want to show you guys how to get free traffic to your affiliate offer. I mean to Pinterest, okay? And I'm gonna show you my business account, that how many views I'm getting and how many eyeballs I'm getting each month, okay? So let me show you that right now. I'm gonna show you that in just a moment. But I'm gonna show you something like this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this link, okay? Copy this link, and then we're gonna come over here, and then we're gonna go to marketing tools, and we're gonna go to defaults and deep links, and then we're gonna upload it, and then we're gonna paste our link right here. Okay, and then there we go. Now our link is right here. Okay, this is the link for CPA, so that means we're gonna copy this affiliate link. But you know what? We're not going to put this ugly long link into Pinterest, because you know why? Because Pinterest do not allow that. Okay, there's no direct linking. But I can show you how to shorten it, and if you just listen all the way to the end, step by step, then maybe you can do this too, so you can start generating some cash flow. Okay, so if I take my affiliate link, okay, and then if I take my affiliate link, whatever, right? Let's see something. Let's see. All right. So if I take this, and then also I do want to save these images to my computer. Okay. Save it. All right. So now what we're gonna do now, guys, we want to come back here, copy, and now what we want to do now, we want to come back over here. We want to go to Bitly. We want to go to Bitly real quick. I shorten it. Okay, Bitly. Right. So we came to Bitly. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do now, we want to create a new one, a link. And now we're gonna put our link right here, and then bam. Create our link, and then bam. Okay. So now the next thing we want to do. Now the next thing we want to do now, we want to copy our link. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do, guys, we want to come over here to Pinterest, which is our business account. Okay. So let me show you. This is me, guys. This is my business account, as you can see. Okay. So this is my business account, and what I did, I'm an affiliate, so I'm an affiliate marketer. So I've been doing this for 3 years. Okay. And then how many views I got so far? I got 1.k monthly views. Okay. These are all my Pinterest pins. Okay. Except for the videos and all that stuff. But I get the highest eyeballs throughout my other pins. Okay. So let me tell you how to do this. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to create a pin. Okay. And I'm going to create a pin. All right. So we come over here, put this in our pin. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do, we want to come over here. We want to like blog writer. Hold on. I am a blog writer. Actually, no, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's say I will build your blogs. I'll say I will create your blogs and articles. Okay. Articles. Are you looking for a creator yourself? Please check out my website for more info. at 5 years in. For more info. Okay. So I said, are you looking for a blog or blog creator? If so, then please. Are you looking for a blog creator? And are you looking for a blog creator? If so, then please check out my website for more info. Please check out the website. Check out the website for more info. Alright, and then what we're gonna do, paste our billing in here, and then bam. Okay? And we put billing in here, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna create something like let's say blogs and articles. Creator. Blogs and articles create. Blogs and articles. Right. And then we're gonna put that, and then now we're gonna publish it. Okay? So just give it a minute or two. Okay, guys? Give it a minute or two. Alright. So now, since that's up, now we're done with that. Okay? So we gotta wait till it get approved, and then bam. And once you get approved, and that's how you do it. Okay? So if I do it one more time, let's see something. Okay, let's see something real quick again. Let's do it again. This printer has to view it first, okay? You have to view it first. Alright, so that's what they're gonna do. Just view it. Okay, so give me one moment. Okay, seem good. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and just be sure to check out the content, and make sure you hit that subscribe, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, and turn those notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you are interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Mocher, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to do this video. Alright, y'all, peace out.